Welcome traders. In this video, we will provide a quick overview of the Heiken Ashi candle alert indicator for MT4. The Heiken Ashi candle alert indicator is designed to notify traders when consecutive bullish or bearish Heiken Ashi candles appear on the chart. The indicator changes the color of Heiken Ashi candles, turning bearish candles brown and bullish candles green. This color coding helps traders quickly assess market trends. Generally, a change in the color of Heiken Ashi candles indicates a possible trend reversal, but many traders wait for a series of consecutive same-color candles to confirm the trend before entering a trade. For example, if you see 3 consecutive green Heiken Ashi candles, it suggests a potential uptrend. On the other hand, 3 consecutive brown candles may signal the start of a downtrend. The indicator sends alerts when a series of consecutive same-color candles appears, helping you stay on top of potential trading opportunities. The indicator comes with the following customizable settings: Color 1, Color 2, Color 3, Color 4. Customize the colors of your Heiken Ashi candles for better visual clarity. Turn alerts on. Enable or disable the alert function. Alerts on current bar. Decide whether to receive alerts on the currently forming candle. Alerts on nth consecutive same bar. Set the number of consecutive same-color candles required to trigger an alert. Alerts message, alerts sound, alerts email, alerts push notification. Customize how you receive your alerts. You can download this indicator from the link in the description under the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.